Hello.
Hello. How can I help?
I have replaced the flapper in our toilet, but the water seems to be still leaking into the bowl, as every few minutes, the water will run to refill the tank. If I push down on the flapper, after the tank has refilled, the leak doesn't seem to happen. The flapper appears to be seated correctly. How can I get it to push down harder on the drain? The chain is not too taut, there is some slack in it when the flapper is down. Thanks for any advice.
What's the brand and model of your toilet? How old is it?
It is a Kohler toilet, about 10 years old. I ordered the flapper from a plumbing supply outlet after taking a photo of the make and model and all the numbers that are on the inside of the tank. He assured me that the flapper is the right one, and when I compared to the one I took out, they were the same. I can send you the same photos.
How long has this been going on with your toilet? What have you tried so far?
I replaced the flapper 2 days ago and the problem is persistent. I've played with the adjustment screw on the float, the unit to the left of the flapper side. Also, just push down on the flapper to make a better seal, and that seems to work, until the next flush.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all I can think of.
My name is. I look forward to helping you.
Thanks.
This is common. Two things cause this. Can you upload a picture of the tank as empty as you can get it by flushing and holding down the handle? And with the flapper removed?
I can do that. I did clean the little bit of calcium buildup around the edge of the drain that the flapper sits on. I felt the rim and there are no little gouges or rough spots. All seems to be good there. But, I will take a photo and send you.
Thank you.
Here are 2 photos. One that you requested, and one of the serial number and ID for the toilet. Can you open the photo, Wade?
Yes, let me take a look. Can you show me what flapper you're using?
Will do. It's a Kohler product.
So with the flapper removed, measure the inside diameter of the hole that it sits in.
Inside diameter is 4 1/4.
Okay, just wanted to verify it is correct. When you install it, you should have 2 full links of chain that are in slack.
I'll put it back on and check that. There are 2/3 links of slack.
Okay, let's test it out.
Okay. Going to put flapper back on and fill tank. Unless you want me to do something else.
Nope, that's exactly what I want you to do.
Okay. All filled.
If it still leaks like it did with the old flapper, you'll need to replace the flush valve. It's what the flapper sits on. Also, replace the tank to bowl gasket while you have it apart.
Is the flush valve the unit on the other side with the float and little screw thing? And are you talking about the gasket under the flush valve?
No, that's a fill valve. The flush valve is what the flapper sits on. The tank to bowl gasket is just that, the gasket between the tank and the bowl. https://www.amazon.com/kohlergenuine87998 flush valve/dp/B00562D0L8/ref equals SR_1_5 crit equals 3W306LVJSR6KM and child equals 1 and keywords equals Kohler plus class plus 5 plus flush plus valve and cat equals 15853388840 and prefix equals Kohler plus flush plus class %2 caps %2 C253 and SR equals 8 to 5.
Oh, sorry. I see what you mean. The flush valve, the 4 1/4 inch drain opening. And yes, I see the gasket under it. So the fill valve has nothing to do with the problem. In the meantime, I've flushed it a couple of times and for some reason it's not leaking. Knows I have a pro on the line, so it better behave. I see your link. Thanks for sending that. Darn, no luck, it just refilled a bit. You can't hear the leak, but it's there. Looks like I'll be ordering the flush valve and gasket. Again, don't have to be concerned about the fill valve. Thanks for your help, Wade. Just ordered the part.
Sorry, I'm a real-life plumber and had to deal with a crisis at work. I would replace the full Dave's well because they're only $7 and it's a lot easier to do when you got it all drained and apart. Fill valve. https://www.hamadepot.com/p/fluidmaster400A universal toilet fill valve 400 ARP 25 100,554,467.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.